Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add bank account in AJIO for refund. First, open the AJIO app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged in using your correct account. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the account section. This is where all your personal details and orders are stored. After opening the account section, tap on the orders option. Here you will see a list of all the orders you have placed on AJIO. Scroll through the list and find the order that you want to refund. Tap on that order to open the order details page. Next, look for the option next to the order that says Transfer with Bank. Tap on this option. This is the option you need to choose if you want your refund to be sent directly to your bank account instead of the original payment method. After selecting Transfer with Bank, AJIO will ask you to enter your bank details. Carefully type your bank account number in the given field. Then enter the IFSC code of your bank. Make sure both the account number and IFSC code are correct. A small mistake can delay your refund. Double-check all the details before moving to the next step. Once you have entered the bank information, submit the details. Your return request will then be processed by AJIO. When the refund is approved and completed, the refunded amount will be sent directly to your bank account. Thanks for watching.